Here is how to fix Minecraft failed to login invalid session. Try restarting your game error. So first, what you need to do is try to restart Minecraft. You can close Minecraft launcher, and then try to reopen it again. Open the launcher and log in again. Now try if this still does not work, you can try to log out from your account and then log back in, or maybe use Microsoft or Mojang credentials to log back in. And then you'll need to, if you're running multiple instances of the game, you'll need to close them and make sure you're only running one at the same time. Otherwise, you can try to disable the firewall temporarily and try to connect again by going to settings and then looking for firewall in here, Windows Defender Firewall. Now turn on or off firewall and then disable it temporarily to try and log in to see if it works for you. Now if it still does not work, what you can do is go to the Minecraft launcher and then click on repair or reset to repair the launcher files and repair the game files. And then once the repair process is completed, you can try to launch the game again, and that should generally fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.